Welcome to Kamalani Kitchen. Today we are making coconut banana muffins. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. You always wash your hands before cooking. First, we'll be making our egg substitute. First, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. And then we'll be adding 7 tablespoons of water. Now it's finally time to mix it. Now we set it for 10 minutes. Next we'll be mashing 3 bananas. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of applesauce. Next, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we'll be adding our egg substitute. Yummy! Now it's finally time to mix. And then we'll be adding 1/2 cup of sweetener. Next, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is optional, but you can add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now you add 1/4 cup of coconut flakes. Next, we will be adding 1 cup whole wheat flour. This is optional too, but I like to add 1/4 cup of mashed nuts. Now we get to mix it again. This will be a hard mixing time. You can ask an adult for help. Push, push, push. Push, 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 push. Preheat your oven for 350 degrees. Put the non-stick spray in the cups and also put the batter and fill it up like halfway on the top. If you like coconuts like me, you can put some on top. Now have a dough to put these in the oven. Here you go, Dad. These are heavy. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. The muffins are all done and cooled off. Now it's time to eat. Yum. Next is time to give us anything. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Can you say it for me? Next you'll be adding. Can you stop talking?
Is that a quarter cup?
I was just sneezing over there, so that way I won't get it in the food. Look at it, I made patterns. These are for you and Mom, and these are for baby, and these are for me. Okay? And these are all gonna do it next time. Can we do it without the nuts? Can you give me more? Sprinkle on top. I don't have really much, so can you give me more? Oh, I'll take it. So that way I can get more. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's start